Something strange is happening in the Persian Gulf. Even during an active war, ships are still moving, but not freely. Only ships approved by Iran are passing through. Insurance for shipping in the region has essentially collapsed. Captains are operating at their own risk, with no guarantees if something goes wrong. Hundreds of ships are now stuck outside the Gulf, and many are trapped inside, yet some continue moving because Iran allows them. Under normal conditions, the Strait of Hormuz operates with a 6-mile wide shipping corridor, 2 miles in each direction and a buffer zone in between. But now, that central zone is effectively shut down. Instead, ships must travel north, dock at Iran's Imam Khomeini port, get approval, and pay fees that can reach up to $2 million per trip. Then they sail back along the Iranian coast for protection. This creates what looks like a controlled transit system, where Iran decides who moves and who doesn't. Even cargo, including Chinese equipment reportedly linked to drone parts, is still reaching Iran. And despite a strong US military presence, these flows are not being stopped. Iran's oil exports have increased to nearly 2 million barrels per day, and with added war surcharges, profits are now 2 to 3 times higher than before the conflict. Much of this revenue is controlled by the IRGC. At the same time, analysts who might normally raise alarms about these issues are no longer in place. Which leads to 2 key realities. Iran is earning more money than before the war, and it can sustain its military operations longer. So the real question is, who actually controls the Persian Gulf right now?